To the right.
All right, I'll follow you.
Signage.
Oh, there we go.
Falls.
Falls.
I don't know if we've told everyone where we're going.
No, do you want to let them know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's just... Hey guys, welcome back to the channel this week. We are hiking today, and one thing I love about living in North Carolina in the mountains is that it's a beautiful place to go hiking. But even down here, which is a little farther south, it gets really cold. So I don't do well in the cold, and so we've prepared as best we can today. We have a Mylar blanket just in case it gets really, really cold. We have some hand warmers just in case also. And of course, gloves, hat, little scarf that I could find today. My warm coat and spandex underneath my pants that go up to about here to keep me really warm and toasty. Also, I remembered my coat has this fun liner that's supposed to keep you nice and warm and reflect your own body heat, and my new boots have that too, so hopefully that'll work well today too. So let's come along for a hike with me and Kurt, and we will see how I do in this cold weather.
And as a last resort, we can make some fire. It's also a great idea to bring with you a trail map, so that way if the battery of your phone dies and you get lost, you'll still be able to find out where you're going.
Once you get in the car, you start taking things off. It's a little interesting.
Something cool. I'm gonna go down here and check it out. This is nice down here though.
Too many layers.
You know when you don't need to wear all these layers?
Yeah, in the summer. Or if you live at a tropical island. Let's go there. To the right.
All right, I'll follow you.
Signage.
Oh, there we go.
Falls.
Falls.
I don't know if we've told everyone where we're going.
No, do you want to let them know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's just, I think it's called I think it's Davidson Falls or Daniel Falls. I'm not sure exactly, but we saw a picture on Instagram and we hadn't been to this place before, so we're like, hello, we haven't been here, we gotta go see it. So we'll go see it. So the reason that I have so much trouble in the winter isn't just because I love the summer and I don't like the cold. It's also because I have a very minor kind of syndrome or condition called Raynaud syndrome, and it makes your circulatory system kind of shut down in weird ways on your extremities, mostly like your hands and your feet. And so if I'm out too long, I'm at more risk for frostbite and stuff like that, and it's pretty painful even if it's if I don't have something like frostbite. It's just kind of like a painful kind of condition when you're in the cold too much. So bundling up is important, and having the ability to warm up quickly if you get too cold is important. And so doing winter hikes like this is a rarity unless it's a little on the warmer side. So trying to do it today, and so far so good. Also, one of the things you can do to help your syndrome, your Raynaud syndrome, is to have a healthy diet, which I try to do, and also to get more exercise, which is good for your body in general, but also for Raynaud syndrome. What do you see up ahead?
I see a waterfall up ahead.
So this waterfall apparently is 150 feet tall.
150 feet?
Yep, and in the winter when it's really, really cold, it can freeze and look really cool. I don't think it's frozen at all today though.
And in the winter when it's really cold, you can freeze.
Yes, that's true. Warmed up a little bit while we were out here, so that's good. Feeling good. I can handle it today. It's probably in like the 30s or like high 30s, maybe even the low 40s, so we're good to go. And the waterfalls are really cool. All right, so we saw the waterfall, and I'm ready to go get a hot drink, maybe. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's go.
Hey everyone, we're back at the house and we made ourselves some nice warm herbal teas. And we're inside from the cold, right? Yes, we didn't even need to use any of our emergency warm-up materials, which is good. That's good. It's always good not to have to use the emergency supplies. Yes. So that's it for this week's episode. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye, guys. Take care.